Hey there, it's Scout Leader Jed here, and today on Nature Diaries, we're going to be examining some leaf specimens. Here we go! The reason we're out here in the evening time is that a little known fact to most human beings is that leaves are actually nocturnal. So what I think we've got here is the Behevius meningitis leaf. But let me just get a... Yep, yeah, that's the meningitis. The peculiar thing about this leaf is actually the spotted pattern it usually has. Okay. So this is actually one of my personal favorites because in great accumulation, it's great for keeping you warm at night in a tent or in a sleeping bag. It's great. This one's going in the belt. Now, what we've got here is kind of peculiar because it's not very common to this region. But what we've got here is the Bohemian rhapsodicus. It camouflages itself within the tree as a bark-looking type leaf. Once again, also nocturnal. It only grows at the night, and you can only see it at night. So, I'm not a big fan of this one, so we'll just move on. Alright, this is actually a pretty good one. Okay. Now, this is actually where we get our celery. Celery and lettuce come from the exact same plant. And so, this is one of my favorites. You can see some bugs have taken some bite of the lettuce. But this is actually definitely one of my favorites because it's unique to the area, and I just really like it. So, it's going in the belt. Now, these flowers here, I don't know what they are. Yeah. Now, if we could just get... Okay, yep, that's enough. Well, it's getting pretty dark out, and I don't want to be hunted down by any, like, bear or rakutas or anything. So, we'll see you next time on Nature Diaries. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.